Hi folks, in today's video I'm going to take you along with me as we DIY a new fireplace mantle. As you can see, this current mantle is not a bad mantle, but I just want to update it a little bit. This new mantle will complement our new fireplace makeover. After measuring our existing mantle, I've decided to cut my board about a ½ inch longer. This will give me a little bit of wiggle room. Alright, now I gotta check and see if it fits. It should overhang about 1/4 inch on either side. Okay, so I'm just testing out this 6-inch board and then now the 3-inch. I decided to go with the 3-inch wide board. Now that all the pieces are cut, we get to assemble this mantle. Although wood glue is wonderful, from my experience I've found that it is not stainable. So anytime you're working with wood glue, just make sure that you get all the excess residue off and you have a very clean surface. Son was so sweet to give me an extra hand during this process, and my daughter was videoing. It's nice when you get a little extra help. Like they say, many hands make many work. It's time to do another fitting. It's looking good. Now I'm finishing the underside of the mantle. This will conceal the old mantle and also give our mantle a finished look. As you may have noticed earlier and can see now, not every board is completely straight. Some of them are slightly twisted. My husband and I went through all kinds of boards at the hardware store, trying to find the straightest pieces, the nicest pieces, and sometimes you just don't have a lot to choose from. So we're working with what we have, sanding it down, patching it up, and just knowing that this mantle might be just a little bit twisted in spots, but it will work just fine, and when it's all said and done and secured, it really will be okay. It was quite cold in the garage, so as soon as I could bring the project inside, I did. I'm using a water-based stain in the color Golden Oak, and you'll see in just a minute that I'll be using a water-based sealer. It is for indoor and outdoor use, and I've been enjoying it. It's been wonderful. And here's the mantle freshly sealed. Now obviously this is very, very shiny because it hasn't dried yet, but it will dry to a very nice soft sheen in a satin finish. And I ended up putting 3 coats on the top and bottom. Are you ready to see the mantle on the fireplace? If you liked this video, be sure to check out my fireplace makeover video. Thanks for watching.